all of my body on fire.
I melt in your hands, soaked in sweat when